Hey everyone, it's Honest Review Hub here. And today, we're not talking about the latest phones, the fastest laptops, or the coolest headphones. No, today we're diving into something a little different. We're talking about transforming one of the most important spaces in your life, your room. We're about to explore some seriously cool smart gadgets that can instantly upgrade your room's comfort, convenience, and overall vibe. We're talking about the kind of tech that makes you say, how did I ever live without this? So, if you're ready to take your room from basic to futuristic, buckle up. We're diving into the world of smart gadgets. As usual, links to all these products will be in the description below. First up, let's talk about setting the mood, because the right lighting can completely transform a space. And that's where smart lights come in. We're not just talking about turning your lights on and off with your phone, though that is pretty cool. We're talking about choosing from millions of colors to match your mood, your decor, or even your music. Imagine dimming the lights without ever leaving your bed or waking up to a gentle sunrise as your lights slowly brighten. And the best part? You can control it all with a simple voice command or a tap on your phone. No more fumbling for light switches in the dark. It's all about that effortless, futuristic living. Next up, we're tackling temperature control with a smart thermostat. Gone are the days of fiddling with that old thermostat on the wall, trying to find that sweet spot between too hot and too cold. With a smart thermostat, you can set the perfect temperature for any time of day, and it'll learn your preferences to create a truly personalized climate. But it gets even better. Imagine preheating your room before you even get home from work, or using your phone to adjust the temperature while you're cozy in bed. And let's not forget about the energy savings. A smart thermostat can help you save money on your energy bill by optimizing your heating and cooling. Talk about a win-win. Chapter 3. Now let's talk about the heart of any smart room, a smart speaker. But this is so much more than just a speaker. Think of it as your voice-controlled command center for your entire room. Want to listen to your favorite playlist? Just ask. Need a reminder to take out the trash? It's got you covered. Want to check the weather, set an alarm, or even make a phone call? Your smart speaker can handle it all, hands-free. But here's where it gets really interesting. You can use your smart speaker to control all the other smart devices in your room. Imagine telling your speaker to turn off the lights, adjust the thermostat, and start playing your sleep playlist, all without lifting a finger. It's like having a personal assistant right in your room. Chapter 4. Finally, let's clear the air, literally, with a smart air purifier. This gadget is all about making sure the air you breathe in your room is as clean and fresh as possible. We're talking about filtering out dust, allergens, pollen, and even those pesky pet dander particles that can wreak havoc on your sinuses. And with a smart air purifier, you can monitor your air quality in real time, set schedules, and even control it remotely from your phone. So whether you suffer from allergies, live in a polluted area, or just want to breathe the freshest air possible, a smart air purifier is a game changer. It's like having a breath of fresh air, always on demand. Outro. So, there you have it. 4 smart gadgets that can instantly upgrade your room and take your comfort and convenience to the next level. Whether you're all about that mood lighting, crave perfect temperatures, or just want to breathe cleaner air, there's a smart gadget out there for you. And the best part is, you can start with just one, and gradually build your smart room over time. Trust me, once you experience the convenience and the cool factor of these gadgets, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome tech content. See you in the next one.